Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit visa in Canada. First, you'll need to confirm if your situation requires a work permit. This depends on your nationality and the type of job you've been offered. You must also meet general eligibility requirements, such as having no criminal history and being in good health. Remember, certain roles or circumstances might be exempt from needing a permit, so always check the official guidelines first. Next, you'll need to identify the correct type of work permit for your situation. An open work permit offers flexibility, letting you work for nearly any employer. However, an employer-specific permit ties you to a particular job and company, often requiring a labor market impact assessment, or LMIA. It's crucial to understand if your job offer is LMIA exempt or if an LMIA is a necessary step in your application process. Once you know your permit type, it's time to gather all the necessary documents. You'll definitely need a valid passport, your official job offer letter, and any relevant educational or professional certifications. Be prepared to show proof of funds, demonstrating you can support yourself and any family members accompanying you. Additionally, many applicants will need to undergo a medical examination and provide police certificates from countries where they have lived. Finally, you'll submit your application. The most efficient way is to apply online through the official Canadian government website. Be ready to pay the required fees, which usually include a processing fee and a biometrics fee. After submission, it's important to regularly check your application status. Be prepared to promptly respond to any requests for additional documents or information to ensure a smooth and timely processing of your work permit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.